Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You make dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You been fucking liars.
Hey guys, it's Faye here again. If you're new here, you're most welcome, and if you're not, thank you so much for sticking around. I know you're wondering what's going on. In this video, I'm going to take down this hairstyle and we'll find out if African threading really does grow hair. As always, I appreciate your subscriptions, your likes, your comments. Thank you so much. Keep up the good work. It really inspires me to do more. I love you guys. So let's get right into what this video is about. How are you guys doing? I'm not exactly feeling great, but so this one already loosened by itself a few days back. The reason I'm taking down this African threading is because the weather is really hot. I mean, Lagos weather is different from other states. Seriously, like it gets really hot up in here. So, guys, you won't believe that I am still sore. I am still sore after 10 days of having this hair. My hair is so tender. I have a very tender scalp. Very tender scalp. I'm done with the wig. Like, I can't be wearing wig under this kind of weather. Like, those of you all wearing wigs every other day, how do you guys even do it? Even having braids in this kind of weather will kill me. Seriously. What's this? What is this? What is this? This is one of the reasons I do not like African threading. It will just pull out my hair around the perimeters. Overall, it's going to stretch your hair, grow your hair and whatnot, but then it's always going to pull out my hair at the perimeters. Look at oh my god, it's so annoying. Like, that was a huge lot. So this is it. This is what my hair is looking like. So I'm just going to comb it out right now. Just going to use coconut oil. I'm not doing anything much. Just going to apply coconut oil. I massage my scalp at every given opportunity because I heard it grows your hair. Anything to grow my hair. Oh. Is that supposed to be shed hair? I don't care if it's shed hair. I just don't want to see my hair on the comb.
And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna show. I started losing interest. I started to zone now. You was fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. Really didn't think it gone like this.
This is what my hair is looking like 10 days after, and there is definitely an improvement. So for now, I'm just gonna sit back, relax, and let this weather do its thing, because I'm not the one that'll be wearing wig under this kind of weather. No, it's not me. Do I think I want to do the African threading again? Probably, But one thing I don't like about African threading is it breaks my hair around the perimeters a lot. That's why I don't like African threading. Aside that, it really stretches your hair and grows out your hair. It's something I'm going to try out again. It definitely does help your hair grow. It stretches out your hair and it's a good protective style. You can wear it comfortably under your wigs. So yeah, it's something I'm going to try again, and it's something you should try. This is how I will be stepping out today. No hair, no wig, no makeup, plain and simple. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you ended up liking this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, please subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, turn on your post notification bell so you don't get to miss each time I put up amazing content like this. Thank you once again, and see you in my next one.
Clearly don't be fucking